Python pandas groupby and if any condition. I have a data frame similar to the one below, and I would like to create a new variable which contains true/false if for each project the sector A has been covered at least once. I'm trying with the groupby function, and wanted to use the transform method, but since my data is text, I don't know how to use it.
You could try the following. This will group by project and check if any A is in the group sectors.
It's not the fastest option, but definitely should work.
If you want this enough, please consider subscribing.